Hi, I'm Aliza Shatzman. I'm the president and co-founder of the Legal Accountability Project. We are a nonprofit seeking to ensure that as many law clerks as possible have a positive clerkship experience, while extending support and resources to the ones who don't. The Legal Accountability Project is the resource I wish I had when I was a WashU law student applying for clerkships. A DC Superior Court law clerk facing harassment and unsure where to turn for help, and a former clerk engaged in the formal judicial complaint process. Increasingly, attorneys have been reaching out to me and asking me 3 questions. Have you spoken with my law school alma mater? Are they participating in your initiatives? And what can I do to help? Today I'm going to answer the 3rd question. So far, I've reached out to more than 50 law schools to discuss the Legal Accountability Project's initiatives. The centralized clerkships reporting database, which will democratize information about judges and ensure that as many law students as possible have as much information about as many judges as possible before applying for clerkships, and the Judiciary Workplace Culture Assessment, which will finally answer the question, how pervasive is harassment in the judiciary? The clerkships database is a subscription model. We are asking law schools to pay us $5 per student per year to participate. I spend $8 per month on my Hulu account. I believe $5 per student per year is enormously reasonable to protect all of your students from gender discrimination, harassment, and retaliation in the clerkship workplace. The workplace assessment is free. We're just asking law schools to send the survey link to their law clerk alumni. Law schools that assist us will be helping with a first-of-its-kind data collection and analysis initiative. Law schools that don't will be hindering our efforts. Overall, I've received a very positive response. Most administrations are very willing to engage with me, to answer my questions, and to review our resources. Unfortunately, we've received pushback from several administrations. As a founder advocating based on my personal experience with gender discrimination, harassment, and retaliation, it's enormously frustrating and painful for me to realize that some law students will go another year without these urgently needed resources, including potentially law students from my alma mater. But next year, we will circle back with the law schools that have said no or not this year, and we're very optimistic. We are already seeing a groundswell of student support at nearly every law school. Now, what you can do to help. 3 things. The first is you can reach out to me at aliza.shatzman@legalaccountabilityproject.org. I will give you an assessment of where we are with your alma mater and where I think the best ways you can help. Alternatively, you can reach out to your administration yourself, deans, administrators, clerkship directors, and tell them you believe that our initiatives are immensely valuable, that the law school should participate, and perhaps even that you believe these are resources you wish you had when you were a law student. The third is social media engagement. You can follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. I post about these issues nearly every day. You can reshare our content and tweet at your law school. We believe that alumni engagement will be critical for many administrations. It is law students and alumni demanding change who will push this movement forward. If you would like to learn more about us or support our initiatives, you can visit legalaccountabilityproject.org. We look forward to hearing from more of you, and we hope to see some of you on the road in the fall.